Ever wonder why tech behemoths like AWS, Oracle, and Google are spending hundreds of millions to plaster their logos on Formula One cars? The answer goes far beyond traditional sports sponsorship. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating strategic chess game happening between Silicon Valley and the most technologically advanced sport on the planet. This isn't just about brand exposure, it's about accessing the ultimate real-world testing environment for cutting-edge technology, recruiting elite engineering talent, and creating innovation pipelines worth billions in R&D value. In the next few minutes, you'll discover why AWS paid $100 million to access F1's data ecosystem, how Oracle leverages Red Bull Racing as their most extreme case study, the talent pipeline that's sending engineers from pit lanes to tech headquarters, and why these partnerships deliver ROI that traditional advertising simply can't match. Let's peel back the layers on one of the most sophisticated technology partnerships in the modern business world: data, the ultimate testing ground. Formula One represents the ultimate stress test for any technology platform. During a single race weekend, each car generates over 1.5 terabytes of data from 300-plus sensors, which must be processed and analyzed in real time to make split-second strategic decisions worth millions. For companies like AWS, this creates an unmatched opportunity to test their most advanced systems under extreme conditions. When Amazon's cloud services can handle F1's data demands, they gain a powerful proof point for enterprise clients in finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. Take the specific example of AWS's partnership with Ferrari. Their machine learning algorithms process over 250 billion data points per season to optimize everything from tire degradation models to fuel efficiency strategies. These same algorithms are then refined and deployed across Amazon's commercial cloud services, having been battle-tested in the most demanding competitive environment imaginable. The AWS F1 insights you see during races aren't just sponsorship placements, they're showcases of machine learning capabilities being battle-tested in front of millions of viewers. Amazon processes over 25 years of historical F1 data to generate these insights, demonstrating their ability to extract value from massive datasets. This partnership delivers value far beyond traditional marketing. AWS engineers work directly with F1 teams, gaining insights that accelerate their own cloud platform development. Meanwhile, F1 benefits from computational resources that would be prohibitively expensive otherwise. Oracle's partnership with Red Bull Racing follows a similar pattern. Their cloud infrastructure doesn't just power race strategy, it serves as a proof of concept for Oracle's enterprise solutions, showcasing their ability to process complex simulations 25% faster than competitors. Red Bull performs over 1,000 CFD simulations weekly, each requiring billions of calculations, an extreme workload that pushes Oracle systems to their limits. Talent acquisition and development. Beyond data and technology testing, F1 partnerships give tech giants access to one of the most valuable resources in today's economy: elite engineering talent. Formula One teams attract uniquely skilled engineers, professionals who can develop breakthrough innovations under extreme time pressure, strict regulatory constraints, and fierce competition. These are precisely the attributes tech companies need to maintain their edge. Google's partnership with Alpine F1 includes a talent exchange program that rotates engineers between racing operations and Google Cloud development. This creates a two-way knowledge transfer that accelerates innovation in both organizations. In the past 3 years, over 15 Alpine engineers have moved to permanent positions at Google, bringing their expertise in real-time decision systems and predictive analytics. The skill sets are remarkably transferable. F1 race strategists excel at split-second decision-making with incomplete data, precisely what's needed for algorithmic trading platforms or emergency response systems. Data engineers who optimize telemetry systems for racing are perfectly suited to develop IoT networks and edge computing solutions. Since initiating their F1 partnership, AWS has hired over 30 engineers with racing backgrounds, bringing their expertise in real-time systems optimization and predictive analytics to Amazon's core services. These hires have led to measurable performance improvements in AWS's data processing capabilities, with one former Mercedes F1 engineer Credited with a 17% efficiency improvement in AWS's machine learning infrastructure, the value extends to recruitment marketing as well. Tech companies leverage their F1 partnerships to position themselves as cutting-edge employers, helping attract top graduates from engineering programs who might otherwise choose competitors. Oracle reports a 32% increase in applications from elite engineering programs since beginning their Red Bull Ring partnership. Innovation, pipeline, and technology transfer. Perhaps the most valuable aspect of these partnerships is the creation of innovation pipelines that accelerate R&D cycles for both F1 teams and tech companies. When Mercedes F1 needed to improve their aerodynamic simulation capability, their partnership with AMD led to specialized processor optimizations. These same optimizations later appeared in AMD's commercial high-performance computing offerings, delivered to market months faster than through traditional development. The innovation transfer works in specific, measurable ways. Consider Oracle's digital twin technology implemented with Red Bull Racing. The system creates a complete virtual replica of the F1 car, allowing engineers to test thousands of setup changes without physical modifications. This same approach has now been commercialized for manufacturing clients, helping companies like Boeing reduce development cycles by up to 30%. Google's machine learning expertise helps Alpine F1 optimize race strategy and car setup. In return, Google gains invaluable real-world application data that refines their ML algorithms for commercial applications in logistics, manufacturing, and autonomous systems. Their collaborative work on predicting tire performance has evolved into predictive maintenance systems now used across manufacturing and transportation industries. Oracle's database solutions are stress-tested by Red Bull Racing's computational fluid dynamics simulations, which require processing billions of calculations to model aerodynamic performance. The optimizations developed for these extreme workloads now enhance Oracle's commercial database offerings, with benchmark tests showing a 22% performance improvement directly attributed to racing-derived innovations. What makes these partnerships uniquely valuable is the compressed innovation timeline. F1's relentless two-week race schedule forces technology development at a pace that's simply impossible in traditional R&D environments. Tech companies essentially gain access to an acceleration chamber for their innovation roadmaps, compressing what might be a two-year development cycle into just 6 months. The strategic partnerships between tech giants and Formula One teams represent a new model of innovation that goes far beyond traditional sports sponsorship. These are sophisticated technology alliances that create value across multiple dimensions: real-world testing environments for cutting-edge systems, access to elite engineering talent, accelerated R&D timelines, powerful technical marketing showcases, prestigious association with the pinnacle of motorsport engineering. The financial numbers tell a compelling story. While AWS may spend $100 million on their F1 partnership, the estimated R&D value generated exceeds $300 million annually when accounting for accelerated innovation, talent acquisition, and technical marketing benefits. Traditional marketing approaches simply can't deliver this level of return. This explains why we're seeing even more tech giants entering the F1 arena. Microsoft has recently expanded their partnership with Williams Racing, focused specifically on AI development. Lenovo has joined forces with Ferrari to work on edge computing solutions. These aren't marketing expenditures, they're strategic technology investments with measurable returns. For tech companies, the hundreds of millions invested in these partnerships deliver ROI that traditional advertising simply can't match. They're not just buying logos on cars, they're buying into the world's most advanced technology ecosystem and innovation accelerator. The next time you see AWS, Oracle, or Google on an F1 car, remember, you're watching a sophisticated strategic alliance that's shaping the technology you'll be using tomorrow. If you found this analysis valuable, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the business of technology and innovation. Drop a comment sharing which Tech F1 partnership you find most interesting and what other strategic alliances you'd like me to explore in future videos. Thanks for watching.